some muscles benefit more than others when it comes to biasing more specific regions and doing single joint exercises, unilateral exercises to try to maximize motor unit recruitment. And this is because larger muscles have larger voluntary activation deficits. Like, for example, the quads have about a 15 to 16% voluntary activation deficit. What that means is that you're not able to recruit 15 to 16% of the entire muscle because it's so large. You're not able to recruit it all. And smaller muscles like the elbow flexors, we only see like about a 2% voluntary activation deficit because it's a smaller muscle group. And they're likely massively underestimating how large that deficit is because let's say that 15-16%, right? Since you never recruited those muscle fibers never grew. So they're going to be atrophied. But what if we took that 15-16% and actually grew those muscle fibers and then tested afterwards? That 15-16% can become a much larger number after that. Anyways, larger muscles are going to have larger voluntary activation deficits. So to maximize the growth of that muscle, it's going to be more important to find ways to maximize motor unit recruitment. So priorities and strong point, weak point aside, something like the glutes or quads are going to be more important to find ways to maximize motor unit recruitment than the biceps. Like with the quads, for example, you could use a seat belt, do a unilateral leg extension with the glutes. You can again do unilateral work, bias both the lower glutes with like a hip thrust and the upper glutes with the abduction machine, etc. And if you want to know the sizes of different muscles, take a screenshot here. These are the lower body muscles and these are the upper